Before we can predict food prices, we need one thing: good data. So the next episode in this series is about data collection, where we are discussing about where the data comes from, how to collect it, and how we can do it ourselves. This episode is in 3 short parts. Part 1 shows you the real websites and data sources used in food price analysis. Part 2 explains how we gather the data automatically. And Part 3 is optional if you want to learn the technical side. It is structured like this so everyone can follow, whether you're not technical and just want the concepts, or you're technical and want hands-on coding. By the end, you understand where real-world price data comes from, what scraping and apples actually do, and if you join the optional part, how to write real Python code to collect your own dataset. This is the foundation of machine learning. Good data means good predictions, and this episode will show you exactly how that data is gathered. So get ready. The data gathering episode starts now.